Don't you? Yeah. If you come down, you do gate 2, but not 1. You can't go back. Okay.
Lyngba daga video call ay kublay kitbok kitriang umitirangba kajala u Conrad ke Sangma yu Pynsngaiñ Kurbah haringkat kajingidon lang ukur chungu bala job haka kerdan ke bahaklidu haka gold medalist haka kanyo men slalom haka lempung ilekai national game ke balai pupra jongkari ke bala long haka jela utarkan shushu umitirangba ulaong ya u baka Sorkar jela kan ayu ya kam Sorkar Komisi benta jong kaji pinterkam ya kam sport apo kajela umitirang badu ulaong bagan dengan jingwan ra 6 ra borom jong Pynsngaiñ kapel longkup kinuksa syakiwe pat kisamla ki bae haki kam sport umitirang ba kajela u Conrad ke Sangma ulai kublay Uyan Vincent badia ka team manager ka Sheila Vincent ki balai lam ya kanhun sya ka jingjob ka bakrau yauni unong job
Sheila, for all the work that you've put in the last many years. I've been to your place. We have sat down a couple of times. I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing. And really, this is, I'm sure, the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come. But this is the beginning. So I congratulate Yen and Sheila and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. So I really once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. At this point in time, I'd like to ask Pynsngaiñ if you want to say something. How do you feel? Yes, Pynsngaiñ, how do you feel? That's good. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for the support and also.
Very good. And Yen, Sheila, you'd like to say something?
Yeah, same. Thanks so much, sir, for all your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be here at all. And so, thanks so much, and please continue with that.
Sure.
And there's a lot of potential here in Meghalaya.
So, Pynsngaiñ, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you so that you have security and in the future because you have done us all proud and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy, which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So enjoy and wish the rest of the team also the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Good. All right.